Christian. It's Jen,
Yeah.
the warrior of the day. She's killing it on the Himalayan. And we're going there. Go, 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 go. I'm coming, let's go. Hold up.
I should just move this.
Actually, no, just go. We're gonna hold it.
We'll hold it for you, yeah.
Here comes the weight.
We hold it, don't worry.
Just gotta get my kickstand down. I can't get my kickstand down.
Okay, we'll go towards us a little. We got your weight, don't worry.
You do? Okay, wait. I'll be on. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Oh, shit.
What again? Oh, that's your. You need to glue that.
Thank you.
And no one's gonna help me.
Do you need help?
No, I'm kidding. Yep. Okay, well, it's done full right here. Alright, well, let's turn around. Hi.
This is incredible. It's literally like mounting a horse.
Not my bike. Oh, that's where we went. How is it? Holy shit, it's it. Holy shit, it's it. I think we came here. I go. Whoa, this is quite fun. Oh, now we're talking. This is fun. Oh, look at how high we are. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, now we can take a break here. Alright, this is where we do a good picture. Come on, high five, 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 five. Yeah! Whoa! You guys are good?
Yeah.
Fucking fun?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Thank you.
Don't hit that log. Hold on. Ah! It's clear. Oh, you got this. Woo! I'm impressed. Holy shit, we did it. yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah. She fell in front of me. Oh, my first drop!
Is that hot?
Ah, you bastard!
Okay.
Oh, we got this.
Do you want to stand and pose with your bike?
Sure.
This is important to pose with it. Smile.